We just tuned this 540. I'm wilding because it's raining, but fuck it, man. I'm gonna see how this shit kick it for. We're cruising right now, coming this little cruising. I ain't gonna lie. I hope y'all can hear the flocks. Oof. I ain't gonna lie. One thing about this shit feel like a go-kart compared to my 540. I don't know if y'all can see on the dash right there, it's an M240. Feel me? But yeah, this should be kicking, B. Just put a nice tune. Right now, we just cruising right now, so I just want to get a little footage of the tune because this car is such a compact car. Like, I don't think nobody should sleep on the M240. I believe that this is one of the best B58s to build, if you were to build a B58, in my opinion. It's like, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. If it wasn't raining, I swear we'd be yapping this shit, son. But shit tough though. Shit tough. And it put down. That shit put down, boy. That shit put down. The Flox is nice. This M240 has a Veltronic exhaust, so the Flox is decent. Oof. It's crazy. This go-kart, B. Go-kart. This shit is a fucking go-kart. Eesh. Tell me if y'all will get an M240, man. Yeah, y'all fuck with M240. Keep your eyes on the road, kids. This is crazy ass mean speed right here, please. That was a crater right there, buddy. I want y'all to really see the difference, son.